What's up, YouTubers? That F-150 guy. Finally got a new computer. I can finally get things rolling again. So I want to I guess I might as well do an unboxing of the new computer, and when this uploads, it will be from the new computer. So let's take a look at this and go over a little bit about it. Okay, so when the other computer started having issues, I'm not sure if it was a USB issue or not, but basically I could shoot video, but I could not download it from my camera onto the computer. I could still use the internet, I could still use the GoPro video editing software. However, I could not get anything to go through the USB. So there must be an issue, obviously, with the USB ports on that computer. So I thought, well, I might as well just upgrade to something different. The old computer was a Toshiba Satellite, and it's worked well for, I guess that's probably about 6 or 7 years old. And you know, the thing with technology is it kind of renews itself. It used to say technology renewed itself every 5 years. This day and age, it seems like you're talking 2 to 3 years. I mean, just look how quick the cell phone versions change. You know, almost every year there's a new version with more features, more functionality, etc. And the same goes for basic computers. So I shopped Staples, and I originally looked online, and I found this HP notebook on sale for $5.99, and it was $300 and some odd dollars off, like $350 off its original price. It has the Intel i7. It is a notebook style laptop. It has 12 gig of RAM and a 1 terabyte hard drive. The crazy thing is it does not have a DVD burner, which I thought was really odd. Now, I don't know if it's because the DVD technology may be getting old already. You know, everybody's going Blu-ray and things like that, or streaming. But I just found it odd that it does not have a DVD burner. It did come with a free Microsoft Wireless Mobile 1850 mouse. It also came with free 6-month subscription to Kaspersky, which I don't use anyway, but you know, if anybody would be interested in this, just let me know, because I won't use it. Came with a discounted price on Microsoft Office Home and Student 2016. It was $20 or $25 off for Microsoft Office versus the original price with buying a new computer. And I decided to get a 2-year basic protection plan from Square Trade. That's who Staples deals with. So basically, the 2-year basic protection plan protects against mechanical, electrical failures, hard drive failure, screen failure, and it's 100% parts labor, no deductibles. Basically what happens if you have a computer issue, you initiate a claim with them, you ship them your computer, and they have a 2-day turnaround. If they cannot fix it, they give you the value of your computer so you can get a new one. I'm not sure how they calculate their values, but that's the way it goes. And that was $99 for the protection plan for 2 years. Did I really need to get it? Probably not. I mean, I'm not sure how reliable this computer is. I've read good reviews on it, but I thought it'd be better just to have one just in case. Alright, let's get to the unboxing portion. Take a look at this thing. Okay, so far all I've done is cut the tape, and look at packaging. That's pretty stout packaging there. Lots of foam. There is the actual notebook. So I guess we'll start in this corner. Power cord. The other half of the power cord. So that takes care of that cardboard piece in there. And now we have just the computer. I'm not sure which is top and bottom here, but I'll take a guess. Okay, here we go. Limited warranty and technical support booklet. An unusually shaped setup instruction guide. I'm guessing it opens like a road map. I was correct. Okay. Let's take some of this foam off. Alright. Not bad. I think I have the... Well, I guess I have the front. Seems to be good quality. It's certainly light enough compared to my old one. Not much to the bottom of these nowadays. And I believe this is supposed to be a 15-inch screen. I'm not exactly sure what the model is. Okay. It's an HP Pavilion. But other than that, I'm not sure what it is. Thin and light, up to 9 hours of battery life. B&O Play. B&O Play. I'm not sure what B&O is. There's the Intel Core i7 sticker. And apparently you can scan that and do whatever HP wants you to do, which I won't do. But yeah, let me get this plugged in and we'll do a whole install setup. Okay, I have the power supply plugged in. Interestingly enough, there are no LED indicators anywhere on this laptop to show you that it's charging. Oh, I stand corrected. Over here is the tiniest little LED light. Disregard. Alright, let's hit the power button and see what happens. Okay, it's got a backlit keyboard. That's pretty nice. Never had that before. This is in real time, and I'm just curious as to how long the startup itself will take. And then if things start to take a while, I'll just, cut and splice the video together. This is supposed to have Windows 10 64-bit operating system. I'm curious to see the difference in the video editing from the Toshiba. That had an AMD 64 or something like that for a processor, and RAM, I think it may have had 2 gig of RAM, or maybe 4, I'm not sure, whatever was real popular about 6 or 7 years ago. And it did have a 1 terabyte hard drive, so it was good as far as storage, but the actual memory, the RAM, was really sucky for video editing. I don't even know that 12 gig of RAM is really gonna do a lot for me, but it'll be much better than what I was using. Okay, this is a lot slower than I thought it would be. I'm just going to splice this all together, take video of the highlights, and get it up and running.
Put your Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Apparently
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator.
So this is called
Let's dig in.
Cortana. I'm
Your
thinking
region
it's
is set to the United States. Is that right?
apparently a play off of Siri, and I'm going to quiet this chick because I really don't want to hear it. Is this the right keyboard layout? United States. Yeah. Want to add a second keyboard layout? No. License agreement for Windows. Okay, I gotta set up my connection here. Okay, password's entered, I think. Nope, waited too long. Alright, let's try this again. Apparently it sort of times out if you don't hit the connect button quick enough. And I connected to my range extender instead of the network I should be connected to. So let's do this again. Okay, connected and secured. And they're going to check for updates, which I'm sure there'll be a ton of them. And this is where it's going to start taking a while. Okay, done and done. We're up to date. Sign in with Microsoft. I guess I have to. I don't even think I have a Microsoft account. Yeah, I guess I do. Set up a pin. Okay. Alright, apparently I have a pin set up. Save files to OneDrive. I'm just gonna say only save files to this PC. Make Cortana my personal assistant. Can I have permission to use the info? I need to do my best work. It uses information including your location and location history, contacts, voice input, speech patterns, searching history, relationships, calendar details, email content, and communication history from text messages, instant messages, and apps, and other information on your device. No. I mean, that was weird. I think it may have heard me say that. Choose privacy settings. Location, off. Yeah, diagnostics is fine. Ads, off. Speech recognition, off for right now. I can always change it. Tailored experiences with diagnostic data, off. You know what? We'll just switch it all. Register and protect. Alright, hang on 1 second. Cortana says, okay, that's the last step. We need to get a few more things polished up and Windows will be all yours. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Okay, given that, we'll catch back up. Okay, I'm in. This is Windows 10. I use Windows 10 at work, which was definitely an adjustment to get used to because we used to use XP. That's how outdated it was at my work, but we had reasons that we had. It was more or less because the software we use had compatibility issues with the newer software and some of the requirements of other agencies. I can't really talk much about that, but there are other agencies that we deal with that limited us on even internet browser versions. You know, a lot of times if Windows forced an automatic update, we had to backdate it and remove those updates to stay operational. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and install my Microsoft Office and we'll go from there, and hopefully this video turns out okay. It's that F-150 guy. Thanks for hanging in there while I get this new computer set up and get things moving, and we'll get back to the Jeep before too long. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.